Welcome to Truffle POS, the smart and efficient point of sale system designed to simplify table reservations for restaurants, cafes, gaming zones, and entertainment venues. Managing reservations across food and play areas can be complex, especially when customers move between different sections during their visit. Truffle POS brings everything together in one seamless reservation and billing workflow. To begin, the staff opens the table reservation module where two booking options are available: book for food and book for play. For dining reservations, the staff selects book for food and enters the customer's mobile number, name, number of persons, table number, and the preferred date and time. Once the details are confirmed, the reservation is ready to be booked. For play area reservations, the staff selects book for play, where two flexible booking methods are available: book by table and book by slot. If the customer wants a specific play table, the staff chooses book by table and enters the customer's mobile number, name, number of persons, table number, and the preferred time slot. If the customer prefers to play during a particular time rather than reserve a specific table, the staff selects book by slot, enters the mobile number, name, number of persons, and the preferred time slot, while Truffle POS assigns the appropriate table based on availability. Reservations can be configured as either free or paid. Free reservations can be confirmed instantly, while paid reservations prompt the staff to collect the booking amount using cash, card, UPI, or credit before completing the reservation. Truffle POS also provides complete flexibility throughout the customer's visit. For example, a customer may start in the play area, order snacks or beverages, and later move to the dining area for a meal. Using the shift table functionality, staff can transfer the customer's order from the play table to a food table without interrupting the order or losing any billing information. If the customer returns to the play area after dining, the order can be shifted back just as easily. Since every transaction remains connected, Truffle POS generates a single consolidated bill, combining food, beverages, play charges, and all other services into one final invoice. This intelligent workflow eliminates manual coordination, simplifies table management, and ensures a smooth experience for both staff and customers. With flexible reservation options, integrated payments, seamless table transfers, and consolidated billing, Truffle POS helps businesses manage every reservation with greater efficiency and complete confidence. Truffle POS is part of the complete Truffle ecosystem, built to streamline reservations, order management, billing, and customer experiences through one connected platform. Experience smarter table reservation management with Truffle POS. Book your demo today. Thank you.